Assalamu alaikum, greetings and welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to record your online meeting with Google Meet and also take the opportunity to learn how to record the screen from, using Google Meet itself. So basically what we need to do, we'll get started, start a meeting, basically any kind of meeting you can start, and then you log in. Once you have that on, here, of course, the camera is not yet available because I'm using it on the screen recorder here. But basically, what you need to do, you just join a meeting. And then when you set up your meeting, this is your meeting info. Once you do that, what you need to do is you just go and share the screen. But before you do that, you go here and you basically click record meeting. This is very important to do the screen recording. Obviously, I am the only one in this meeting, so I do the recording option here. Now it's being recorded, so anything I do now on the screen is being recorded. So what I need to do next is to go and present, and as you can see here, there are three options: entire screen, window, Google Chrome. It just started recording. As you can see here, it says recording. So now Google Meet is ready to record this meeting. It's basically recording the meeting. So here you record the entire screen. If you want it, you choose record the entire screen. There you go. And now I am basically recording everything. That's how it's done. And once you are finished, you basically stop recording. And then whatever you recorded, it will be saved in Google Drive.